our one more math class, right? So the class that we are going to see today, I need to break in two parts, okay? I will tell you what is about. It is about division. Yes, it is estimating quotient. What? Yes, estimating quotient. If you don't know me, my name is Teacher JZ and this is my channel BEs. Hold on, watch this class. I will explain how can you estimate quotient, and today is just one strategy. Next video, I will show more strategy about it. Hello everybody, welcome back. One more math class. Lesson 11, estimating quotient. Yes, you're right. If you hear this word here, that means we have what? A division process. You're right. Remember when we first learned division and we had this strategy of creating groups so we could do the division sentence? Just like this an example. I have 10 cupcakes and I need to divide that by 5 students. So let's see how can I do. I will here draw 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each group I will start to count here. 1 cupcake, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each student will get 2 cupcakes, okay? But now we don't need to draw anymore because we already know that 10 divided by 5 it is 2. But sometimes it won't be so easy like that. So that's why we are learning today estimating quotients, okay? So you will have strategies for that, okay? So guys, key math learnings for this class. Different strategy can be used to estimate quotients. Okay, I know that teacher that we always showing us more than one strategy. Okay, so estimate a quotient yields an result, but it's not the real exactly result because it's about. Remember that we always saying about when we are estimating. And mental math, no. Mental math yields an exactly answer. So pay attention to this. I know that the lesson says estimating quotients, but we will also learn here one strategy to do mental math to find the exactly answer, okay? So here, vocabulary, compatible numbers. So what does that mean? Numbers that are easy to add, subtract, multiply mentally, and including here to divide because we are learning division, okay? And here two new words, divisible and multiple. What does that mean? Divisible, we can say here that 10 it is divisible by 5. Why? Because 10 shows in the multiplication table by 5, and a multiple here. Remember that when I say that multiplication and division they are related. So what that means? That means that 10 it is a multiple of 2 and 5. So here guys, the product of a multiplication means that the number is a multiple, right? Okay, so let's start here, let's see. The strategy we are learning in this class, looking for a compatible number, like a friendly number, and use the front-end estimation. Okay, and the mental math strategy we are learning in this class, it's break the dividends in 2 parts. Dividends, what that means, teacher JZ? Remember, I put here for you, dividend is the number that we are dividing by. Dividing here, 77 by 11. So 11 is my divisor, and the answer from this division it is our quotient, okay? So let's see, here we have a situation. So Frank, he drove 1,875 kilometers in 4 days Suppose that he drove the same distance each day. About how far did he drive in one day? So first question here for you guys. How do you know? We have to give you an estimate because teacher, I see the word about here. Yes, good job. And now to answer this situation, we need to know which numbers here are close to 1875. They are easily, means with zeros in the end, and they are also divisible by 4. Whoops, teacher, now you're asking too much. I agree, now I'm asking too much, but let's work on this. So first of all, the number needs to end with 0, right? So this number here, it will be 1800 for me. And we need to see if this number here is easy divisible by 5. 5, no, sorry, excuse me, by 4. So here, how can I see that? How can I check? Guys, you will use the multiplication table. So let's think here, the multiplication table for 4. It is 4, and then, please help me, 12, and then, what else? 16 and 20. I know that 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16, 4 times 5, 20. Be careful here, guys, because we don't see 18 here in the multiplication table for 4. So that means we're going to give up. No way. We know that 18 is here between 16 and 20. So do you think here that 18 is closer to 16 or to 20? Let's just take note here. The number here that is less than 18, it is 16. And greater than 18, 20. But do you think that 18 is close to 16 or 20? Think a little bit. So here, guys, we found 16, but we're not using only 16 here to do the division. You're adding here the zeros, okay? And I know that 16 divided by 4, it is 4. And 20 divided by 4, it is 5. So guys, what do I need to do here? Add 0, okay? So we can answer here this. We know that the quotient of 1875 divided by 4 is between 400 and 500. But it's closer to, remember that I asked you to think about, do you think that it's closer to 16 or 20? To 20, but it's closer to 500. So Frank drove about 500 kilometers per day. Okay, guys, so what do I need to do here in this strategy? First of all, I need to do this number compatible. And then I need to see which number here is divisible by 4. Even if the number that I'm using here it's not, I need to find which number is closer to the number that I'm working with. Okay, seems really complicated. So let's see another example here. Teacher, I know do this. It's really easy for me now. Because here I only add 0. Yes. To start, yes. But and then? Then teacher, I will check the multiplication table here to find if this number is divisible by 6. Okay, so let's see. Do I find here 28 in the multiplication table for 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. I don't have 28. But think about, you think 28 is closer to 24 or close to 30? I think it's closer to 30. So here, 30 divided by 6, it is 4. So guys, I will use this strategy. 3,000 divided by 6. That is 5. Okay? Because I'm doing this 30 divided by 6. Then do not forget to add the zeros. Okay? And remember, it is an estimation. So it is about 400. Because here, 28, it's closer to 30 than to 24. Okay? So now it is your turn. I want you to do this to solve. If you need it, please pause the video and then we will check the answer. Okay, guys, did you do it? Let's check. First of all, compatible number. Number that are easier to work with than the number that we have here. So here I will do just like this. Now I will check if I can find 15 here and the multiplication chart by 5. 5, 10, 15. Oopsies! Bingo! I found it is 3. So here, 15 divided by 5, 3. But do not forget, please, to add zeros. So 1541 divided by 5, it is about 300. How does this sound for you? Easy or difficult? Guys, today I will stop the video because I'm teaching you here only the first strategy, looking for a compatible number. Next video, I will show the front end estimation, okay? Do not miss the video. See you in a little bit. Bye-bye.